Looking for affordable garage door service in Marana? Why not call a neighbor? John's Garage Door Repair is nearby and ready to help you. As the owner-operator of the business, you'll get John himself doing the work on your garage. With over 25 years experience in the industry, you can rest assured that he knows what he's doing. Combine that with the low overhead of a small operation, and you not only get super skilled and knowledgeable workmanship, but you get it at the best price anywhere in the greater Tucson area. So if you're in or around Marana, call John today at 520-989-0381 or visit us online at www.johnsgaragedoorrepair.com.